Here we are, Cregneash, little village. Shop's open, I think. You can stop for a brew here if you want. Get a brew in a butter's gone. You got to go up there. You've ever been up there?
Oh, have you?
To the chasms, yeah. A few 100-year-old this village, isn't it?
I think they're from the future.
Look at the what they call lots of sheep in it. And the babbies, the babbies are growing up, aren't they?
Shouldn't put them on show at Easter. Wrong time of year for you, pal.
Bit of mint sauce. It's the males, isn't it? What we eat.
They come in peace. They're from the future on these, see?
Yeah.
They come in peace, pal.
Look at the horns on that thing. It's massive,
Oh,
isn't it?
do you know where Sean lives?
Where's that?
Hilbury. Sean Edwin Dennett.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's gone.
Try to get a big picture camera shot in it. I reckon that the hole in the fence there is made for its horns, isn't it? Look, you can see how it's carved its way through.
Who is that out?
Lead now.
Where we're going up there?
Yeah, up there, yeah. It's the chasms.
What's the chasm?
Ooh, scary.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's mint round here, isn't it?
That way.
So, just have a quick.
There you go.
Just gonna have a quick look in here. Is there a few 100-year-old these, huh? Look inside. Flippin' excuse. Look at that old material. Looks like it's like panel craft in there. It's like panel craft in there, all Clint's old tools. Yeah, dark, yeah, dark. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, isn't it?
That is mega old, isn't it?
Quality. Ever feel of that?
What is it? Yeah. A trainer, it's a trainer, isn't it?
Take a picture.
Yeah.
Your dad will like all that. Put the ribs in it.
How's he doing, you old fella? Oh, your mate's come back.
Has it?
Yeah. Back again. Turn us off there.